Oh, turn it on. There you go.
And it's recording, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Michael, what's this?
I made this a stool.
You did?
A stick.
A stick? What else?
Blocks.
Blocks?
Yes.
What is it?
I made this for you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
isn't that nice?
Oh, what is it?
A tower.
A tower?
Yes.
Oh, a town? Or a building?
A building.
Oh, wow.
A tower?
Are you going to be an architect when you grow
Building.
up?
A building.
Yes.
And I like it. Michael, I like the colors on it. I see dark purple and light purple and green and a little bit of red. I would like the color choice.
Yeah.
Next, my red.
More red over there. Mm-hmm.
I like the sticks.
Mm-hmm.
No, I like
This
Sticks
looks like
are real nice.
a ramp. You can ride your skateboard down.
Yes.
You can ride the ramp. Very
But
nice, Michael.
we have
Yeah.
to take it off first.
That has to come off?
Yes.
Is it in the way if someone was to go down the ramp?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's a good point.
Maybe they could duck.
Mm-hmm. Do you know how to duck? Duck under stuff?
I don't need water,
You want to go underwater? You like to go underwater.
but I need a submersible first.
Did you catch what he said?
No.
He needs a submersible first. That's one way to go underwater.
Yeah. You know what? That would probably float, though, in
Oh,
water,
this thing, yeah.
because there's so much
Yeah.
wood.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
maybe you might want to try it.